Blurry vision? You're not alone. Are you experiencing blurry vision? Do your eyes feel tired and strained? You're not alone. Millions of people face these issues every day, especially as we age. It's frustrating to feel like your eyesight is fading, but don't worry. There are natural ways to support your eye health and regain that youthful clarity. Many factors can contribute to age-related vision problems. These range from genetic to lifestyle choices, but there's good news. Simple steps like adding specific teas to your diet can make a big difference. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of tea that not only soothes your senses but also nourishes your eyes from within. Intrigued? Let's explore the fascinating world of teas and their remarkable benefits for your eye health. For centuries, tea has been revered for its medicinal properties. From ancient China to modern-day research labs, the benefits of tea are undeniable. Specific teas are packed with antioxidants, vitamins and compounds that can protect your eyes from age-related damage. These teas can help prevent and even manage conditions like cataracts and glaucoma. Cataracts cloud the natural lens of your eye, while glaucoma affects the optic nerve. Both can lead to vision loss if left untreated. The good news? The power to protect your sight may be as close as your teapot. In the following sections, we'll explore the unique benefits of 4 incredible teas: green tea, bilberry tea, chamomile tea, and hibiscus tea. Get ready to discover how these natural wonders can help you see the world in a whole new light. As we age, our eyes are more susceptible to damage from free radicals and oxidative stress. This is where the power of antioxidants comes into play. Antioxidants are like superheroes for your eyes, fighting off these harmful molecules and protecting your delicate eye tissues. Let's start with cataracts, a common age-related condition that causes clouding of the eye's lens. This clouding makes it difficult to see clearly, especially in bright light. Studies have shown that certain teas can help prevent cataract formation by protecting the lens from oxidative damage. Glaucoma, on the other hand, damages the optic nerve, which connects your eye to your brain. This damage can lead to gradual vision loss, often starting with peripheral vision. Some teas have been found to lower eye pressure, a major risk factor for glaucoma. By incorporating these powerful teas into your diet, you can give your eyes the extra support they need to fight back against these age-related threats. Remember, prevention is key. Let's begin with the beloved classic green tea. This popular beverage is renowned for its refreshing taste and numerous health benefits, including its positive impact on eye health. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, particularly one called EGCG, Epigallocatechin gallate. EGCG is a potent, free radical scavenger, meaning it neutralizes harmful molecules that can damage eye cells and contribute to age-related vision problems. Studies have shown that EGCG can protect the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye, from oxidative stress. Think of green tea as a daily shield for your eyes, protecting them from the damaging effects of pollution, UV radiation, and the natural aging process. Adding a cup or 2 of green tea to your routine is a simple yet powerful step towards preserving your precious eyesight.
I absolutely love green tea. It's amazing to think that something so delicious can also be so beneficial for my eyes. I make sure to drink at least 1 cup every day, and I can really feel the difference.
Section 5. Bilberry tea, enhance your night vision naturally. Next, we have bilberry tea, a lesser-known but equally impressive player in the world of eye health.
Bilberries are small, dark blueberries that are closely related to blueberries. They're packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give them their vibrant color and offer remarkable benefits for your eyes.
Anthocyanins have been shown to improve blood circulation to the eyes, ensuring that these vital organs receive a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. This enhanced blood flow is particularly beneficial for the retina, which requires a significant amount of energy to function properly, but that's not all.
Bilberry's anthocyanins have also been linked to improved night vision. They may help regenerate rhodopsin, a light-sensitive pigment in the retina that's essential for seeing in low light conditions.
If you're concerned about age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, a leading cause of vision loss, bilberry tea may be your new best friend. Research suggests that bilberry extract can help slow the progression of AMD and protect against further vision loss.
Section 6. Chamomile tea. Soothe your eyes inside and out. Chamomile tea, known for its calming and sleep-promoting properties, also offers surprising benefits for your eyes.
This gentle tea contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce redness, irritation and swelling in the eyes. If you suffer from dry, itchy eyes, chamomile tea can provide soothing relief.
Its anti-inflammatory properties can help calm irritated blood vessels in the eyes, reducing redness and discomfort. You can even use cooled chamomile tea bags as a compress for tired, puffy eyes.
But chamomile's benefits go beyond surface-level relief. Some studies suggest that chamomile may help lower intraocular pressure, or IOP, the fluid pressure inside your eye. High IOP is a major risk factor for glaucoma, so managing IOP is crucial for protecting your vision. Section 7. Hibiscus tea, protecting your precious vision. Last but not least, we have hibiscus tea, a vibrant and flavorful tea with a tangy, refreshing taste. Hibiscus tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, including flavonoids and anthocyanins, which can protect your eyes from damaging free radicals. These antioxidants help protect the delicate blood vessels in your eyes, promoting healthy blood flow and reducing the risk of diabetic retinopathy, a complication of diabetes that can damage the blood vessels in the retina. Hibiscus tea also contains vitamin C, an essential nutrient for eye health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the lens of your eye from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of cataracts. It also plays a role in the production of collagen, a protein that helps maintain the structural integrity of your cornea, the clear front part of your eye. Section 8. Mildred's story, finding clarity with tea. Mildred, a vibrant 72-year-old, was struggling with blurry vision. She had always enjoyed reading and gardening, but these activities were becoming increasingly difficult. Her doctor diagnosed her with early-stage cataracts and recommended dietary changes to support her eye health. Mildred incorporated green tea and bilberry tea into her daily routine, enjoying a cup of each every day. She was amazed by the results. After a few months, her vision had noticeably improved. She could read her books without straining, and her garden was once again a source of joy.
I'm so grateful for these teas. They've made a world of difference in my life. I can see clearly again, and I feel like I have my independence back.
Mildred's story is a testament to the power of natural remedies like tea. By making simple changes to her diet, she was able to improve her eye health and regain her quality of life. Section 9. Your journey to healthier eyes starts today. Remember, taking care of your eye health is an ongoing journey, not a destination. By incorporating these eye-healthy teas into your daily routine, you're taking proactive steps towards protecting your precious vision. Before making any significant changes to your diet, it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider. They can assess your individual needs and provide personalized recommendations. Make it a daily ritual to savor a cup of these vision-boosting teas. Enjoy them hot or cold and experiment with different flavors and combinations to find what you enjoy most. In the next section, we'll explore simple and delicious ways to prepare these teas at home so you can experience their incredible benefits firsthand. Get ready to embark on a flavorful journey to healthier eyes. Section 10. Brewing your way to better eye health. Brewing the perfect cup of eye-healthy tea is easier than you might think. Here's a simple guide to steeping each tea for optimal flavor and benefits. Steep 1 teaspoon of loose leaf green tea or 1 green tea bag in 8 ounces of hot water, 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, for 2 to 3 minutes. Oversteeping can result in a bitter flavor. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried bilberries or 1 bilberry tea bag in 8 ounces of hot water, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 to 7 minutes. Add a touch of honey or lemon for sweetness if desired. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers or 1 chamomile tea bag in 8 ounces of hot water, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 to 7 minutes. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus flowers, or 1 hibiscus tea bag in 8 ounces of hot water, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 to 7 minutes. Hibiscus tea is naturally tart, so sweeten with honey or agave if desired. Experiment with different combinations and find your perfect cup. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to enjoy these teas regularly to reap their long-term benefits for your eye health. Cheers to a brighter, clearer future.
Thank you for joining me on this journey to a healthier, happier life. Remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to the vibrant health you deserve. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs it. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tips that can transform your life. Together, we can spread the knowledge and make a difference. Here's to your health, one day at a time.